Happy birthday to you. What up, Buffet? It's your boy Usman. This is part 2, day 2 of Ndalu's birthday. So today's the final day. Shout out to Maxilis Okumalo for borrowing me this car. So we're about to use his car to do the trip going there. You see, so here we just doing some minor checkups and washing the car at the same time. So but we always have to keep it clean on the road. There's my boy. He's happy, very excited for the road. So J-ish, Buffett, he's looking forward to go out to enjoy his day. So I'm busy cleaning this car. I'm like, car needs to be clean, car needs to be nice, very quick, very fast, so that we hit the road. Baba, no time to waste. Buffet, my boy is turning 4 years old. I can't believe it. Buffet, time flies very fast, very quick. And right now he's a big boy. Lanage, the car is clean. The car is looking nice, very fresh. No traffic. This is us hitting the road to highway. This is my mom's. She's here for the ride. And then we got the kids, the cheating girlfriend at the back, and my sister. This says Hitangena my KFC. Hey, that was so fun. Didn't vlog enough, so yeah. Then this is when we were in the entrance at this place. What was this place? I forgot the name of the place, Baba. Yeah, then we are paying here. And then bazongena. A lot was happening this day, but to me, I was busy going up and down buying food. Look at my son, very happy. He's doing all the dances on his Torada. Him and his mom taking pictures. You know what they do, bafethu. Sesiphakathi evatini. Yimi-ke nintwana phela mina I'm the fish boy. The fish boy. Sesiphakathi evatini manje. Just enjoying, vibing. You know what it is, bafethu. I mean, like, there's some moments that money cannot buy. Afana nalawa, Money can't buy this shit. So enjoy-ish. Whatever you do, make sure you spend time with the kids, boy. So right here, the boy is happy feet. Listen to this. And we out here in a swimming pool. Happy birthday, my boy. Ngibambe kahle. Batshele ukuthi yabona siyaphila boy. Siyaphila boy. Sihambe ngeke. Sihambe. Asibasumele kayi 1 2 3 go. See ekhaya siyadlala la. So hamba ngo6. So buya ngo6. Asicela umngani wethu lo asenze hello. Unjani boy?
Yaphila malume.
Cela usishayele i-backflip lapha i-dive la sizokushutha la. Please. Woo! Happy birthday Ndalo, uzokwenzela i-backflip lo yabo. Mshayele thani shaya izandla thani yebo. Athi simbone ishaye. Athi siyibone. Woo! 1 2 3 go. Woo! Nice one. And then we did my backflips. I was scared to do them, but the others, they were like, "Oh, bro, we need to do more backflips, gotta." So I'm like, "No, let me shoot these people." And then it was so nice, man. Kids were enjoying. I enjoyed myself. So even that I'm tempted to do a backflip. He took his chances running, and then. Yeah, that's what he did. Mhlulile mfana ukudive, mara hopefully when he grows up he gonna be able to do the diving. Here bese sisihlulisana ukuthi ngibani uzobamba isikhathi eside amanzi welele yahisheka lentwana. Weho hayi. Lena ngithi ayi sale sikhipha ke le boy. So we siyibone.
Yeah, sizobuya futhi.
Ngitsike cishe lo. Siyabonga nekai. Then you know bafethu I'm with the cheating girlfriend. Akafuni ukubonakala. Guys, ngibani ushayayo da? Ready?
Oh my God.
Buka ngapha uyangilimaza siyawa sidudla. Buka ngapha phela kanti wenzenjani? Hayi. Ngizokuyeka ke la. Niyambona bafethu. Nguye lo hleza ifihla la kuma Facebook. Ngiyamyeka lamanzi. Ngithola fema. Akasale. Sala lana. Namanje uyayifihla bafethu. Hayi ufema phethi. Sikhokha ama girlfriend allowance for
what?
Yimala la ikati ngisayo mix phone.
Oh my God.
Uyakhona ukwenza njengalo mntwana lo.
Oh, ayikho engakwazi ukuyenza mina. Oh, ayikho nje into engakwazi ukuyenza. Bani?
Yeah. Hayi umuhle ntwana yami. Awushuthe mina.
Njengoba nginje.
Yeah.
I'm really scared. Sunday I can't
Few
balance.
years we've been at it. Yo, it's your boy Ismaz and we out here. Relaxing. Okay guys, ngifuna ukunenzela i-backflip yasemanzini.
Yima backflip. Yima mina ngiphuma la backflip man. Ay namda. Oh my God, you're not moving. Oh my God. What a suicide.
How is it just do it?
You're not moving.
No. Just do Yabona bina bafethu indaba yokuswima mina nginyoka mabakhuluma ngendlondlo yamanzi bakhuluma ngami yimi indlondlo yamanzi buka ke ngizofika lapho kuwo ya yima lapho ke
You're not moving my brother. Ha. Ayay. Awu jaya. Ay mermaid kahle. Mermaid way.
Nakwida.
Ay,
I'm the mermaid.
nakwida.
Danko, woza la ntwana yami. So yeah. Yo, Jingle mame, kangithi.
Ngiyapause.
Yeah.
Ngeke uyidelete.
Uyomtrendisa. Yeah.
FC Mkhisto.
Nazo.
Shut the winning.
Ay, abala ni videographer le. Nena. Sikunye imkhamo yabantu oh my God.
Lo muntu lo. Bafethu ningasabi ngibuya naye eplazini. Indlela engaka. Sasingahamba indlela engaka madoda. Ningasasitheli la.
Buya senzele ukuthi ngibani ubamba umphefumulo isikhathi eside.
as a number fade. So this is the end of the video. Please make sure to like, subscribe. Lana we couldn't record more. Niyazi ama-battery ama-iPhone shesha phele. Danko is thank you to the most.